it's Carolyn at My Miracle Tea, Nature's Detox Secret, and I'm here today to show you how to make the tea. When we got the tea back in 2007, it came with very poor instructions, but we figured out how to make it, and since then we've fine-tuned it a little bit and want to make it very easy for you. Here we have the pretty little green package. Now, Amazon friends call it My Miracle Tea, and at our website we call it My Miracle Detox, but it's exactly the same thing. And inside of it are 2 tea bags that I promise you make a gallon of tea. If you will turn over the green label after you've opened it and taken the tea bags out, you'll see that the written instructions are all there for you. So whatever I share here now, you can go back and easily read and follow along as soon as you have your tea and to refer to when you start making it and have your first order ready to go. Now, most people, when they think of making a cup of tea, it's to put 1 tea bag in a cup of water. This is different. We're going to make a concentrate that makes a full gallon. You bring 4 cups of water, which is 1 quart of water, to a boil on the stove. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and cool down a bit. Then you add your 2 tea bags. Next, you're just going to let it sit there on the counter for at least 4 hours and even overnight. We usually make ours when we're doing the dishes in the evening, and then it's ready in the morning. Then you are ready to put it into a container to put in the fridge for use. When we first got the tea, we didn't realize how toxic plastic is, so we just used a plastic container and then later learned that glass is much, much better. But believe me, the tea worked just awesome even with that plastic container. So the important part is use what you have and don't delay getting started with making the tea so you can drink it and use it. Now you're ready to make your tea. Simply take 1/4 cup of the concentrate, add 3/4 cups of water, and you're ready to drink it. If you'd like it warm, heat it on the stove, but don't boil it. And you can add any flavorings you'd like to make it as tasty as can be. Here's a good place for a little bit of math. I promised you it would make 1 gallon. We have our quart, which is 4 cups, and then to each 1/4 cup of the concentrate, we add 3/4 cups of water. So that is our 4 cups, and that multiplies out to 16 cups per gallon for each 1 week supply. And that will be about 2 to 2.5 cups each day. There you go. Now, it's very important that you leave the 2 tea bags inside the container for the full amount of time that there's liquid in there. The tea gets stronger the longer that it sits. And when the beverage is entirely consumed, there's still some potency in those little tea bags. So you'll take them out and put them on a paper towel or a little plate and allow them to dry out. And when they're dry, then you can open the tea bag and sprinkle the contents into salad, soup, cooked vegetables, a smoothie. You can even just eat them. They're no different than chewing on a little tiny vegetable. But there's still some oomph in there, so don't throw it away. We tell people who are starting out with the tea to start with 1 cup at lunch, another cup at dinner, and a 1/2 cup with a snack. For some people that's too much, others it's not enough, but there are plenty of instructions with your first order on figuring out how much is just right for you and making your way through the first week or 2 with it. So there you have it. It's really very easy, and once you've done it a time or 2, you won't even have to think about. What you'll be thinking about more is making sure there's always some there for you and the family members that are often sure to love it as well. Anyway, there you go, and thank you so much for watching. You can visit us at our website, www.mymiracletea.com, for more information, and sign up below for our YouTube channel where we're adding videos all the time with more information and health and nutrition tips for baby boomers and their families.